Tapakan.
Ang ilang tubig is green.
Oh, I am mermaid.
Shukay. Shukay. Shukoy. Three. And the winner is Boy Boy! Kagang manok! Paunahay ha, paunahay. Ah, naunagin sila. Ano ya? Amo itong langoy mo pa. And the winner is
Long hair.
Hasa-hasa ko buki. Long hair.
Hindi ba itsura niyo?
Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Ako sa taligaw mo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I speak English today because it's my native language. We are walking in this resort. Uy! This is my mother, my sister, and I don't know who is that. Today we speak English. Kalain ta na niga itong takon. Oh, I don't know what is that language. This is not good. This camera is not good. It's make me black.
Ito po si Kuan po pala ito si Francine po. Ito po si hi guys, kung gusto niyo po makita yung kanyang Kuan, yung kanyang Kuan nga po, i-click niyo lang po yung Kuan po, yung link nga po diyan po. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Vlog is vlog.
Vlog is vlog. And we have a guest. Guess who? Guess who? Amo ning duyan. Nakaduyan. Ano na?
Amo na po tano. Pero puti lagi ko diri ay.
Because
I'm
we're
so white.
Kuya, we're from
We're from American.
the United Kingdom. We're from hindi lang dito kami new strain of COVID. We're from American. We are from American and from Australia. We are from American. This is came from American.
Yes. And sorry guys, but I can't understand what you're saying because I'm a pure-blooded American.
Hi, where are you from?
England.
Village.
England village. England village na Tornillo Aquino.
No. He is not came from England village, from Manubu village.
No, from Blete. Oh, Blete.
Blete.
Blete, Tinalon. Somewhere right there. May ari sila sanduyan. Oh, lucky.
What? Can you speak English? We speak English here.
We speak English here because Lola fam is English. Lola.
Lola. Yeah.
Lola fam is English. Lola fam resort.
Mga bobo!
Say Lola, that is the English word.
Lola means
Means
Nanay.
Nana. Mga bright ginawa kami. And fem is noun.
yes, noun.
Yes, the name of person.
Hi guys! Today we are here in Lola Fam with them.
And this is the swimming pool.
Yes. This is where we swim or swam. Yes,
we swim with fish.
we swam because it's past tense. I video you.
The portal is about to close. We have to hurry. Doctor Strange. This is the newly recruit Doctor Strange, and he is showing off his power. This is going to the other dimension.
Watch and learn.
Nawala ko i-edit, nawala ko.
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Today we are here at Lola Fam. Kanta kami, bye-bye.
Mauli na kami kay kabalo ka mo.
Secret ni secret.
Secret lang natin ha. Mauli na kami kay damo tao tapos allergy kami sa mga tao.
Allergy kami.
Magbuti-buti kami.
Kita nyo ng agtang ni Titing. Dali. Hop, hop. Nag-red na Nag-umpisa na.
Ay,
Damo na tao. Allergy kami sa tao.
Ari si mama, sige siya kaon-kaon. What are you
It's so
eating,
hot.
ma'am?
Chili garlic. It's so hot.
From
Hot,
where
hot
is this, ma'am?
From Jerlin Ladua. Wow, it's so delicious. Hot and spice. You want, you order.
Reinforcement from Kinuta. Video ni. Selfie daw na eh. Mag-1, 2, 3, smile. Hi, ma'am.
Ng bird's nest. Nest to sisters. Kami dari subong sa... Ano ne? Oh, wow legs. Bye-bye. Ay, nahulog.
Naog diri sa amon yan na.
Ay, mango. Pag mahulog ko, goodbye world.
Uli na kami, bye-bye. Stop, guys! Yo, guys! And my towel is back on my hair, guys. And as you can see, guys, boy is driving, guys. And on the other motor, guys, Mama is also driving, guys. And we are all now going home, guys. And we are all done swimming now, guys. And our swimming was fun. Babalik naman ko kay mauli na gid kami.